Hey there, art lovers! Today we're diving into the intriguing world of Egon Schiele, an Austrian artist who lived from 1890 to 1918. Schiele's life was full of experiences that greatly influenced his unique style of art. Let's take a closer look. In his early years, Schiele faced some tough times. He lost his father at a young age, and his family struggled financially. These challenges, combined with Schiele's rebellious nature, led him to pursue a career in art. He attended the Vienna Academy of Fine Arts but clashed with his professors, who found his work too provocative and unconventional. In 1911, Schiele met Gustav Klimt, a well-known artist who became his mentor and encouraged him to explore his own artistic vision. It was during this time that Schiele started experimenting with different techniques and subjects, which eventually led to his distinctive style. One of Schiele's early works, Street Cart from 1914, shows his interest in capturing the grit and reality of everyday life. The painting creates a sense of movement and energy, showcasing Schiele's talent for capturing the essence of street scenes. Another notable artwork from this period is Houses with Laundry, also from 1914. In this piece, Schiele portrays everyday urban life with a sense of simplicity and intimacy. The use of bold lines and vibrant colors brings the scene to life, inviting viewers into the artist's world. But it was during the First World War that Schiele's work took a darker turn. He served as a soldier and experienced the horrors of war firsthand. This traumatic experience greatly influenced his art, as seen in works such as Death and the Maiden and One-Year Volunteer Lance-Corporal. These paintings depict the anguish and despair of war, blending elements of the macabre with the human form. Despite the dark subject matter, Schiele also found inspiration in his personal relationships. His paintings of his lover, Edith Schiele, show a tenderness and vulnerability rarely seen in his other works. One such painting is Edith Schiele, Seated from 1915, where the soft colors and delicate brushstrokes convey a sense of intimacy and love. Throughout his career, Schiele also pushed boundaries with his self-portraits. These self-portraits, such as Self-Portrait with Arms Held Back and Self-Portrait with Striped Armlets, reveal the artist's inner turmoil and introspection. Schiele's use of distorted lines and exaggerated features gives these paintings an emotional intensity that is both captivating and haunting. Lastly, we can't forget to mention Schiele's exploration of the human form. In works like Seated Couple, Standing Nude with Orange Drapery, and Nude with Green Haube, Schiele portrays the human body with a raw and unapologetic realism. These paintings challenge societal norms and offer an unfiltered view of human sexuality and desire. Egon Schiele's life experiences undoubtedly shaped the artist he became. His rebellious spirit, traumatic war experiences, and emotional connections with loved ones all found their way into his artwork. By pushing boundaries, embracing the unconventional, and capturing the essence of the human condition, Schiele left a lasting legacy in the art world.